Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Naseema, an architect and interior designer. And in today's video, I am going to discuss the architectural layout plan of this project. This was one of the projects that I did few years back. So I'm going to discuss what was the client's requirement, what architectural layout plan that we created, and also the final furniture layout plan. I will also discuss the architectural mistake I did at that time that I will never repeat. Architecture sets the foundation of good interior designer. One more thing I want to add, we review architectural plan for free on our channel. So if you want us to review your architectural layout plan, then you can DM us on Instagram. The link is in the description. Now let's start with the project. The plot size is 72 feet by 48 feet 8 inches. Now the client wanted to have 3 bedrooms with 3 toilets, 1 kitchen, 1 puja area, staircase with a lift, and 1 decent sized drawing room. See, this is the setback line. 10 feet setback from the back, minimum 15 feet setback from front. This was the 10 feet setback from sides. This was the bylaws requirement. How we started with the project. This was a main gate. We placed a staircase here with the lift. Now I took the dimension of 4 feet. This is my staircase, 7 feet, 3 feet 6 inches, 3 feet 6 inches. This is my lift, 5 feet by 5 feet lift. And this is my puja area behind the lift. I'm having my bedroom with attached toilet over here at the back. This is the dressing area for that bedroom. And this is the toilet. This is one bedroom. I placed the kitchen like this so that I can have a utility at the back. This is the bedroom 2. I created a wardrobe over here. This is the attached toilet. The ventilation of this attached toilet is done from here. And this is the powder room that I created. Wherever you're designing, always try to give them a powder room. Or if it is not possible for you, create a common washroom. See, this is the master bedroom. This is the dressing area. And this is the attached washroom. This was a bigger size washroom because they wanted to add a bathtub in this. Now this is my very decent size drawing area. See, overall when I see this layout, I see it's actually a decent layout. The room sizes are decent and every bedroom they have their own wardrobe. Also we can place a dining table over here. So no corner has been wasted in this layout. From interior perspective, let's see what I could do to make this architectural layout better. Let's start with the entry. This 4 feet, I would have made 5 feet. I think it is 4 feet 6 inches, but I would have given 5 feet over here. Now this is my staircase, this is 7 feet. But what would have been better here? I would have created 3 feet 6 inches, 6 inches of well, and then 3 feet 6 inches. Now by creating a well, my staircase is cleared 3 feet 6 inches, which actually the space demands over here. This lift would have been shifted like this. See, 5 feet also works fine for puja. Now by doing this, I am having a clear passage of 5 feet over here, which is going to give a very decent entryway. One more thing I would like to add, one extended area for this bedroom, and this would have been one green area dedicated for this bedroom. This is my space for drying clothes. This is going to be a space for the laundry work. So this is the way I would have redesigned this space. Now let's discuss the furniture layout plan that I created for this space. And also let's see what architectural modification could be done today to make that layout better. So this is my main entry. This is my lift. This is my dining area plus lobby. This is the puja. This is the bedroom 1 with the wardrobe. Its toilet is here. This is bedroom 2. Its wardrobe is over here with attached toilet like this. This is the master bedroom. Its dressing is over here and this is the attached washroom for that space. This is the drawing room. This is the kitchen and it's way towards the rear open area. And not to forget, this is a wonderful front lawn which is connected with this bedroom. So it is a nice layout, but let's see the placement of doors and windows as per the furniture layout plan and what I will never do today. Let's see that. Now let's start with the entry area. This is my staircase. Now I would have increased the size, made it 5 feet, align this lift wall with the staircase line and create a lift like this. So this would have been one major change I would have done. Let's see this bedroom now. Now this is not creating a very nice detail. I would have shifted my wall like this, maybe 2 feet from this wall, so that my nightstand can easily rest over here. So this is one major change I would have done. See, in this bedroom, we are having a bed over here with nightstand. This is 9 feet wall. So if you can make it 10 feet, it is wonderful. Now this is my study. This is the wardrobe. architecture was my part. I was not doing interior, but I always design the furniture layout plan, so electrical work can be done accordingly. Now let's discuss the washroom. The washroom is fine. I can see the dry and wet area is easily separated. This is my bathtub. This is the shower cubicle. If somebody is entering the shower cubicle from the bathtub, then this area is wet and this area is completely dry, which is a nice thing to have. Another option could be for the space is placing my wash basin here, shifting my window here, and having a wonderful impact once you enter. So I can place my bathtub like this. In this case, dry and wet area is not segregated. See, the placement of OTS is also wonderful. If I had placed my OTS here and PD room here, it was coming right in front of the dining area, which is not an ideal thing. Now this is my washroom for the bedroom one. This is wash basin, and one architectural mistake I can see over here is my window. Actually, it was a ventilator and we placed it like this so that they can have a plumbing pipe which was coming from the above floor level, and then a window which was up to 6 feet. So it was acting like a ventilator, but I would have placed my WC over here and one very good wash basin here, and window would have been above the WC. So by doing this, more natural light would seep into the washroom. Now let's discuss the kitchen. See, in kitchen like this, I don't place my refrigerator here. I place it here now so that I can have a proper storage at the entry and it looks cleaner. And also, I don't place my hob and sink like this. Although it is part of the interior, but electrical work is done at this stage only, so I would have redesigned it here. So if somebody is working here and here, there is no circulation issue. See, I have also taken care of this door and window, which is a nice thing at that stage. In this bedroom too, I have taken care of this window location. I have taken a dimension of 1 feet 6 inches and then create a window, but now I will take it as 2 feet and then create a window. And second thing, I would have created a wall like this so that this TV unit can be extended and this wall can be used for storage or dressing mirror, anything. So this wall could be used for that, and this is my door. Now in this bedroom, this door, I would have created a 12 inches wall over here. This would have been my door, and this sofa would have been shifted like this. So this TV unit can be extended like this, and a dressing mirror could be accommodated here. Now this is the wardrobe, which is fine. See, I have placed a mirror over here, but still I would have shifted my wall like this in case of any future requirement. Corners like this should always be utilized. The washroom is also fine. I'm placing my wash basin over here. This is my WC, and this is the shower area. What I'm missing here is the niche. I would have created a niche over here. In this washroom, I can see I have created a niche over here, but what is not working in this niche is this corner. A tile detail here would have looked very poor, so I would have created a wall like this and then a niche. Here I can see I have given a ledge wall, so niche would be created. So this was the major architectural change I would have done now if somebody gave me this place to redesign. See, you learn with time, you grow with time. It was actually a pretty decent work of mine at that time. I have learned a lot in this project. There could be any other change as per the interior work, but right now, as an architect, these were the major changes. The interior work demands other thing. It depends on the client's requirement. But architecturally, I would have made these changes. I hope you like this video. I hope you have learned something in this video. See, I keep sharing these kind of practical videos in our channel, so consider subscribing. Also give it a like if you like this video, and let me know if you want to add few points in this layout. I would love to hear that. Like I've told you, we also review architecture layout plan for free on our channel, so if you want to DM us, the link is in the description. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. You'll see my next video soon. Bye.